Now the wire come out the side, So first thing we need to connect this screen. I have this mounting pole here. Attach it back. So connect to here. Add a piece of tape to secure it. Let me get the plastic tight. Get a plastic tie to secure this screen wire harness. Oops. Here we go. Stick in. Yep. Okay. Remove the inverters. You're gonna mount. Usually I will mount one wire harness. I need to see here. That's enough. That's good. So just mount one screw. The other one you just add a post. Here's a post here. That's good. Make sure you stick to it. Okay, so this end comes to this side, the other end comes to this side, and just reattach to the wire adapter. So almost done. Not yet, almost. So let me set aside. Grab a touchscreen. Here's touchscreen, right? Okay. So I'm gonna have to move the chassis here on the side. Try to stick my hand. Well, first thing is this keyboard, right? Yep. Make sure. Next thing is this one. Oh, this one's a little bit tricky, but I think we can do it. The thread cable for the touchscreen. Okay. See, it doesn't come out. So maybe I should do like few of this tip. Maybe it's easier. Okay. There's nothing there, so let me try it again. Alright, let me grab a piece of wire. So I'm gonna stick one of this wire to the side and then just pull it over. Then I'm gonna get this one here. Maybe I have to put a piece of tape to it. Just tape it together. Alright. See if easy to mount or not. Okay. Come on, here we go. Okay. Put it right back here. Okay. I have to put it like just like that. Okay. It's a little bit tricky. Yeah. Now remove this wire. It was really sticky. Well, we have marking here, so we can mark it. Connect it back here. And add a piece of tape here. Okay. let's go. Alright, this thing connect back to here. Make sure it's all the way in. Oops. Let me take it out. Yeah, this is the right direction. Here you go. Okay. Now we're gonna put it back. Oops, right here. I think I lost one click. So let me try go find it first. Just found it. Here we go. Put a wires here. Okay, put the screw here. So the right screw? Not long. Oh, this one's longer. Okay. There we go. The one here. It's done. You can add a piece of wire if you want to. So basically, it's done. You just have to pop it right back and put all the screw. And okay, yeah, just put all the screw back. That's it. Thank you for watching.